My name is Janet Gonzalez Bonilla. I am married. I am from Aguachica. I am 50 years old. I am assistant administrative. I am studying at UNAD. I live in Suaita. In my free time, I like to share with my family and walk. The main touristy places in Suaita are Our Lady of Candelaria, Share and the waterfalls of the Nice of San Jose de Suaita. The typical food in my town is the tamal wrapped in banana leaf as with chickpeas, onion, and parsley as condiments for chicken and pork. The main celebration in my town is from February 2 to 5. The traditional fairs and festival are held in commemoration of the Virgin of Candelaria. In my town, I can do Thai, its climate. You can enjoy a walk and observe the beautiful landscapes of Suaita and go to visit the waterfalls and enjoy a bath in its cool waters.